over the world, New Zealand is teaching hands-on skills to people in all kinds of industries. They're learning how to make things, to use things, or invent things. They're discovering how to think creatively, how to be better at their jobs, and how to get new jobs, which they can start looking for the moment they graduate, with qualifications that are recognised around the world. They're improving themselves, their communities, and the companies they work for. They're being taught these skills by a very practical country with a history of innovation and new thinking. That's why New Zealand can give you the hands-on education you need to stand out on the world stage.